It's a great day at Western GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2021 Buick Encore GX Essence. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Encore. The driver's door has power locks, power windows with auto express windows, power adjustable side mirrors, the child lock button, a programmable memory seat, and the power liftgate button where we're able to set the liftgate to maximum opening, 3/4, or turn it right off, a premium Bose sound system, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, leather interior. To the left of the steering wheel, we have the heads-up display button and the information tab. And we also have our lighting controls. Next, I'll climb in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert and a heated steering wheel button. The right side has our audio controls. Next is our driver information center. We're able to scroll through that dash by using the arrow buttons on the steering wheel. Up above, we have OnStar and the programmable garage door opener. Next is our rear view mirror camera. We're able to change that view back to normal by flicking the switch at the bottom of the screen. Just below that is Buick's infotainment center, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touch screen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with navigation, and it doubles as our backup camera. We're able to change the camera view by pushing those buttons at the bottom of the screen. We're also able to turn the guidance off or back on. The engine push start button, dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated front seats, some USB ports and power plug-ins, the wireless charging pad. Simply place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. And above that we have auto stop start, all-wheel drive, lane departure alert, traction control, self park, and park assist. At the front of the Encore GX, we have LED headlamps, fog lights, 18-inch machined aluminum wheels, a 1.5-liter turbo engine paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission under the hood. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert, roof rails up top, rear tinted windows, keyless entry on the door handles, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push that silver button to lock or unlock the doors, the rear window wiper, and the power liftgate. I'm going to use the key fob here, push that button twice to pop it open. In the trunk, we've got the cargo cover, we've got cargo hooks on either side, and a storage compartment, spare tire compartment, down below. Next, we'll take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger crossover. The passenger door has power windows and door storage. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets. The back of our center console has some USB ports and a power plug-in. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest, and we're able to fold these rear seats down by pulling the lever on the top of the seat. So come take a look at the 2021 Buick Encore GX Essence, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.